Once, it was a temple of love, pure and bright, where two hearts beat in harmony, day and night. But now, it's a battlefield, scarred and sore, from a love that was abusive and cheating, more and more. The vows that were made, now shattered in pieces, the trust that was built, now reduced to creases. The promises were empty, the love was untrue, leaving behind a broken heart, with wounds that won't sew. But still, it beats on, unbreaking in its might, withstanding the pain, and the endless night. For even though it's shattered, it holds within, the hope for a love that's healing, and free from sin. So let the wounds heal, and let the pain fade, and let the unbreaking heart, rise from its grave. For in time, it will find love, pure and true, and all that remains, will be memories, good and few. And the love that once was, will be just a tale, of a heart that was broken, but refused to fail. For it has the strength, to rise up once again, and the courage to love, without fear of pain. Share your thoughts and spread the word by sharing and liking the video.